Welcome to the screencast for Homework 5. This is regarding the Vagrant, Ansible, and the playbooks. So, as you can see, I have two folders here, Ansible and Node 0. So, Ansible would be the server, and Node would be the client that we try to do various things on. I also like to point out a certain thing that I've added extra in the Vagrant file. So, if you look at this enables DNS proxy. So, thereby the network connectivity is far better improved. So let's go into the Node 0 server. Yeah. So I'd like to point out a few things. So if you notice here, there aren't any extra. There isn't a GitHub repo initialized yet. Also, you will find that I've added a folder under temp just in case to show that the contents are cleared. So I'm checking into Ansible right now. So I have the setup.yml file that's going to set up it's going to install npm node git. You would notice that the cache valid time I've provided is 1200 seconds. So it's not going to run sudo apt-get update every time except for the first time. I've also done the rest of the steps where we install forever as well as the repos. So I'm running the setup YML with a sudo permission. I'm guessing this is going to take some time, so I'm going to be passing the video for a while. Hopefully, as soon as it's done, I'll play back. So yeah, all the modules were installed as expected. You can see various tasks here that are being shown, and each of them have been successful. You can, if you could zoom in, you could say that there are 8 setups that were done, and all of them are fine. 0 failed. I so at this point, I'm going to go into we're going to go into Node 0 to see if the GitHub got installed successfully. And as far as the npm and Node.js, when running the task, we would find that they all work properly. So you can see that the GitHub repo is getting created here. So the setup was done successfully. I'd also like to point out that right now this is not receiving any uh, there's no web server that's being run in this port. Now So the next thing is task. Here we can see that I'm running the server. I'm going to be running it in the port 47s, and then I'm also ensuring various bash, OpenSSL, and remaining of them are all like latest. And then for removing the temp, I'm using two different ways. One is to like delete the folder entirely and then create it with complete permissions. And then the other way is a shell command using rm. I'm clearing all the children of the temp. Again, this may take a while, so I'll be pausing the video for some time. Yeah, so clearly, like all of them have succeeded, and you can see that the repo must have been started running by now. So on loading this page, we can see that it's got triggered properly. So this shows that it's working fine. I also want to make sure that the temp is got cleared properly. We can see that earlier there was a directory and right now it's got cleared. So all's good. Thank you so much.